The questions at a point A 20 meters above the sea level of water, above the level of water in a lake, the angle of elevation of cloud is 30 degree. The angle of depression of the reflection of the cloud in the lake is 60 degree. Find the distance of cloud from A. So, look at the figure. H upon x, we'll see, we know that tangent of an angle is h upon x, that is perpendicular upon base. So h upon x is an angle is 30 degree as formed by the cloud as the angle of elevation. So tan 30 will be h upon x, and the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. This gives h by x is equal to 1 by root 3. By solving this, we'll get that x is equal to root 3h. We got the height, we got the distance between point A and O. Now we are given the angle of depression to be 60 degree. So tangent of 60 degree will be the distance between this and this. That is 40 plus h divided by x, as this is x and 40 plus h will be giving us this value. 40 plus h divided by x is equal to tan 60 degree, and the value of tan 60 degree is root 3. By solving 40 plus h divided by x and root 3, we'll get the value of x to be 40 plus h divided by root 3. Now to find the h, we'll get root 3h is equal to 40 plus b upon root 3. How we'll get that? We'll get that as root 3h is this distance, which is equal to this distance. This distance is equal to this distance, that means root 3h. X is equal to x, and root 3h will be 40 plus h by root 3. By solving the equation, we'll find out h to be 20 meter. Now h is 20 meter, so the x will be 20 root 3. X is 20 root 3 meter, and the AC will be under root of x square plus h square, as it is the hypotenuse side. So 20 square plus 20 root 3 square whole under root will give us the value of AC to be 40 meter.